So let's jump right into a question that's probably on your mind, maybe even keeping you up at night. Is an AI coming for my job? We're going to break down what's really happening with artificial intelligence and the job market.
I know, it sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? But the thing is, this isn't science fiction anymore. AI is already here, and it is actively reshaping how we work right now. So let's get into what that really means for all of us.
And look, we're not just talking about some minor tweaks here and there. What we're living through is a huge, fundamental shift, a great transformation in the very nature of work itself. At its heart, what AI is really good at is handling tasks that are routine and predictable. And let's be clear, this isn't some far-off future concept. This is a powerful tool that's being woven into workplaces as we speak, and it's getting smarter every single day. Okay, so if AI is a master of routine stuff, it begs the question, which jobs are actually feeling the heat the most? Let's zoom in on the roles that are smack in the middle of what you could call the automation hot zone.
So what really makes a job at risk? It's not about a job being unimportant or low skill. That's a common misconception. The single biggest factor is predictability. If the core of a job is just doing the same set of steps over and over again, well, that makes it a prime candidate for automation.
Just think about these roles for a second. Data entry, answering the same 5 customer questions all day, sorting files, working an assembly line. You see the pattern here, right? All of these jobs are absolutely essential, but they're also highly structured and, you guessed it, repetitive.
And this isn't just some abstract idea. You and I see this playing out every single day. I mean, think about the last time you used a self-checkout at the grocery store or got an instant answer to a question from a company's chatbot. Those are perfect real-world examples of AI taking over these routine tasks.
All right, I know that can all sound a little unsettling, but, and this is a big but, this is where the story takes a really interesting turn. Because the rise of AI is also shining a massive spotlight on what makes us, as humans, so incredibly valuable. Let's talk about the human advantage. It really is a tale of 2 different types of tasks. On one side, you've got the predictable stuff. That's AI's sweet spot. But on the other side, how do you automate true strategic planning? Or the kind of empathy it takes to connect with a student who's struggling? Or the spark of creativity behind a masterpiece? You just can't, not in the same way.
This right here is the absolute key. These are the skills that are, for now anyway, irreplaceable. Creativity, the ability to dream up something that has never existed before. Emotional intelligence, that gut feeling for connecting with and leading other people. And complex decision-making, making those tough judgment calls when you don't have all the facts. In the age of AI, these are our superpowers.
And that's exactly why careers like these are so much more secure. A doctor doesn't just read a chart, they have to deliver a tough diagnosis with compassion. A great teacher doesn't just list off facts, they spark a student's curiosity for a lifetime. And an artist, well, they're not following a formula, they're sharing a unique piece of their soul. Their work is built on those irreplaceable human skills.
Okay, so what's the big takeaway from all of this? This brings us to the most important part. The message here isn't to be afraid, it's to be prepared. We're talking about a monumental shift, for sure, but it's a shift, not an end. If you look back at history, we've seen this movie before. Every huge technological leap does this. The Industrial Revolution got rid of jobs for carriage makers, sure, but it created brand new jobs for auto mechanics. AI is going to be the same, creating entire professions that we can't even dream of yet.
So what can you actually do about it? The way forward is all about being proactive. It's about learning to use these new technologies as tools, not fighting them. It means focusing on developing those uniquely human skills we just talked about. And more than anything, it means staying curious and never, ever stopping learning. When you boil it all down, this is what it's all about. The real power isn't in trying to stop the tide, it's in learning how to surf. Your entire career path from here on out will depend on your ability to adapt and grow right along with the technology. So I'll leave you with this final thought. This whole conversation isn't about being replaced, it's about being ready. The question isn't if the world of work is going to change, we know it is. The real question is, how are you going to change with it? What's the one new skill you're going to start working on today?